This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Move right into this immaculate, updated and stylishly furnished third floor condo. Everything has been done, just unpack and enjoy. The open floor plan creates a warm space to entertain family and friends. The kitchen offers granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, and a breakfast bar. The primary suite features a tray ceiling, 2 closets, 1 walk-in, and an updated en-suite bath. The guest bedroom offers 2 twin beds and a wall-mounted TV, right across from the recently updated guest bathroom. Enjoy your morning coffee or an evening beverage on the peaceful, 2-sided screened lanai, with lush tropical vegetation, tile flooring and electric hurricane screens. The refrigerator, dishwasher and hot water heater were all replaced in 2024. Located right near the largest community pool and in walking distance to all of the fabulous amenities this bundled community offers. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis and 6 bocce courts. State-of-the-art fitness center that is professionally staffed. Pelican Sound is nestled up to the ESTERO River with access to the Gulf of Mexico. The community offers dry boat storage, kayaks, canoes and paddle boarding, along with a shuttle boat to Lovers Key State Beach Park. Minutes from RSW International Airport and surrounded by fabulous shopping and restaurants. Start living the dream. For more information, review the details below.